So I've had quite a few people message me about Wildfire and offering to give her a home, and I'll show you some details of that. Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Trading. It's been a real busy week around here, and I'm a little late getting this video out. I apologize for that. We're getting ready for a horse show, so we've had quite a few people come in for some lessons and getting all the horses ridden and everything. And today, kind of winding down the week, I had to go get hay and feed and stuff today. And with all this trucking issues and stuff going on, it's a little bit of a hard time getting hay, or getting feed rather, and with all the weather, it's kind of a hard time getting hay. So that's a little bit of a issue we have to work out, but that's all part of it. Anyway, we're doing barn chores. Of course, you see the barn's a mess, working on getting horse stalls clean and all that. And I got them cleaned, and I had these mats. I've talked about them in another video earlier, and I figured I'd show you a little bit about how these mats work. Now, this is a stall. Show you this stall. I come in and I stripped it out, and I come in with a citrus cleaner. I'll show you the bottle here. I get this at Tractor Supply. It's just regular citrus cleaner, and when I strip the stall out, I mix it up and pour it in the stall. That's why it looks wet. It's not from pee, it's from that cleaner. And it soaks through the mat. It's a porous mat, and that breaks down the urine underneath the mat. And been really happy with these mats. They hold up good, and it's easy to keep the ammonia smell out of the barn. So I really like how that works. Figured I'd just kind of show you what I was doing. It's really pretty simple. I just put some water in this container here. Then I'll take some of this concentrated citrus cleaner that I just showed you. Pour it in the container until I get a good orange color. This is just a tea pitcher that I bought at the dollar store. And then I'll go in the stall. Go down one. I started doing this stall, but I haven't finished yet. You see where it's wet right there? That's where I started putting this cleaner down. Just pour it in the stall. It soaks through the mat, breaks down the urine underneath, and we end up with a nice citrus smell in the barn. There we go. So I'll do that, and I'll let it soak through. Tomorrow morning I'll put fresh shavings over the top of that, and be a nice clean stall. So real happy with it. I've got this is one that I stripped out. This one was in pretty good shape. Some horses are naturally worse about them than others, but just thought I'd show you how these stalls are doing, how these mats are doing. Been really happy with them. I got a video that I've done a little while ago where I talked a little bit more specific about them. It's when I was installing them, and they're holding up really good. So we have a show coming up in about 3 weeks. It's a cow horse show. I have a group of people that I'll be taking that will be showing in the 1K limited class, which is for riders that will be boxing only, that have won less than $1,000. And a few of them came out and practiced today, and I'll show you a little bit of video. I think they've only shown once or twice in cattle classes, so this is all very new to them. And one of the reasons I want to show this is people get on YouTube and online and they look for videos, and pretty much all they find is the top level riders showing at futurities and derbies, and they see that and they think, man, I can't do that. I can't compete at that level. But what a lot of people don't understand, when you go to a show, you're competing against people that are on the same level that you are. Like in National Rein Cow Horse, which is what this show is that we're going to, everybody's broke down, and you're competing against people that have won a similar amount of money of what you've won. So it's a very level playing field, and it's a very good way to start showing. You're in there. Everybody wants to win, but everybody at this level is in there to get better, to learn, and it's a very fun show, and we really have a really good time at these shows. So I want to show you just a couple clips of the practice that we had today working cows. Some of them did some good things, and some of them have some things they need to work on. That's all of us, everybody, me included. There's always something to work on and get better. But it's all about the journey.
There you go.
Hands forward.
I'll text you right now my garage code in case you need it.
So I've had quite a few people message me about Wildfire and offering to give her a home out in a more appropriate place as far as no gnats and good home. I had several really good homes message me, and I want to thank everybody for their response with that. It was tremendous. I was really pleased. A lot of people was offering to help her, but I did settle on a home for her. It's in Nevada, which is where she was captured out of the wild, and I'll show you some details of that. A little bit of pictures of where she's going. So there are some details about the home she'll be going to. I intentionally didn't put any specifics. I wanted to respect the person's privacy, where she's going. It's really good home. I'm really pleased. Couldn't have asked for anything better. So just a little bit of a heads up. We're actually hosting a roping clinic tomorrow here at the ranch. It's a beginner, very basic beginner, people that have never held a rope kind of roping clinic. So I'll have some video of that coming out in a future video. And that's going to sum it up for today. If you are a new watcher to the videos, I ask if you'd please subscribe and click the bell notification so you get notifications when I get future videos out. And if you're already a subscriber, I want to thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sticking with me. And until next time, thank you.